Just a few ingredients. Cake in 1 minute. You'll do it every day. Let's start by putting a banana in a bowl. Then add an egg. Now just mix the banana with the egg. If you want to keep receiving our recipes every day, don't forget to interact with this video. Add 3 tablespoons of sugar. Mix everything well. Take the opportunity to tell me which city you're watching from, so I can thank you and send you a hug. Add 3 tablespoons of oil. Mix everything together. Add 5 tablespoons of wheat flour. Let's mix this flour well. Don't forget to rate this recipe from 0 to 10 at the end of this video. That way I'll know how much you like this recipe. This recipe will surprise you, it's delicious and easy. Add a teaspoon of baking powder. And mix again. Make this recipe at home and come back and tell us how it turned out. In a frying pan, add 2 tablespoons of butter. Let the butter melt. Now that the butter has melted, pour the batter into the pan. Let it cook for 5 minutes until it is golden brown. With the help of a plate, turn it over to brown the other side. Leave for another 3 minutes. And our recipe is ready, easy, and very tasty. A delicious snack for you and your family. Thanks for watching, see you next time and enjoy.